Hi, and welcome to your Quick Sentence Builder Lesson 6. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is no. Here's a picture to let you remember no. Here are the words in different languages. Pause the video here. Know means to be aware of through observation or information. Know. Let's build a sentence. They knew. Here, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. They knew what? What did they know? They knew the story. Ooh. Let's build a sentence. They knew a story. Which? Which story? They knew the story about the man. Let's build a sentence. They knew the story about the man. Which? Which man is the story about? They knew the story about the man from Korea. Let's build a sentence. They knew the story about the man from Korea. Why? Why did they know the story? They knew the story about the man from Korea because he was a magician. Wow. Let's build a sentence. They knew the story about the man from Korea because he was magician. What? What kind of magician was he? Because he was an amazing magician. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.